Well, the Nifty managed to snap out of the 3-day losing streak and ended in the green with a mild uptick of around 50 points, but it was a very choppy and volatile session. The Nifty recovered almost 200 points from the day's low. The Nifty Bank also managed to end with a marginal gain of around 33 points. Remember, over the last 4 sessions, that index has lost almost 1300 points. The pain today was really in the broader market because the Nifty midcap as well as the small cap index went home with a cut of anywhere between 1 to 2%, and the market breadth was firmly in favor of declines because there were 14 stocks declining for every 3-4 stocks advancing. Now, in terms of the key sectors, well, it was metals that was holding one end for the market because Tata Steel went home with a gain of around 3%. Pharma names like Cipla and Divi's Lab also went home with a gain of around 1 to 2%. Reliance was the other heavyweight that batted for the bulls today, going home with a gain of around 1.7%, and Bajaj twins were also active in trade today. On the flip side, however, names like ONGC, PowerGrid, SBI Life, Tata Consumer, IOC were coming under pressure. In fact, from the broader markets, Tata Power was the other stock on our radar. It reports numbers tomorrow and that one went weak into the numbers. In fact, Airtel was the other stock which was in focus ahead of its earnings. Adani Wilmar, the new kid on the block, started a bit tepid, but by the end of the day, that one saw an uptick of around 16%. A lot of result reactions in trade today. We had good numbers come by from Godrej Consumers, from Suvin Pharma. Goa Carbon was the other stock on the radar from the broader markets. On the flip side, however, Bajaj Electricals, Green Lamb as well as Morpen Lab disappointed with earnings. Talking about earnings, TVS Motors was the other stock on our radar, ended with a gain of around 2.5% after it reported a strong operational performance. So overall, a decent day for the markets, but continues to be very volatile.